Hi, in this video we will show you how to replace the tamper base of your PUQ press. You will need to order a new tamper base. You can only replace the tamper base within the suitable upper clamp range. Please check the diagram shown on screen. The tools you'll need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press and a dry brush. Start with pressing the set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Remove the magnetic top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Clean the thread and cavity of the upper clamp with a brush. Fasten the new ordered tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Let's tamp.